So we'll go for lettuce now, and you can see that it's a very different shape seed, whereas our turnip and our radish are quite round. Our lettuce seeds are more of a long oval shape. Now they're a bit smaller as well, so I guess you could use our little card technique just to make things easier. So I'm going to go for maybe three seeds, 4 seeds. But remember, in any of these exercises, if you put in too many seeds, it doesn't really matter because we can always just pinch out any extras that come up if we don't need them. So there we go. And then with lettuce, it actually needs a little bit of light to germinate. So I'm just putting just a dusting of compost on the top. That's all. Firm it down a little bit. Again, put our label in, back in our tray. So all the seedlings in the video, I sowed them at around the same time. So again, these are about 5 weeks as well. So we've got some nice, pretty large lettuce plants there now. And there are probably 2 or so in each one. We can see our roots there. So at this size, they really need to go into a larger pot, or that they might be planted out if they're going to be going out into the school garden. But as you can see, you know, from start to finish, that's 5 weeks. So got some nice healthy plants there. Okay, so that's about it. I really hope that this video encourages you to give the Incredible Edibles growing module a go. It really is very, very easy. Now, while you'll definitely get 100% success with very, very easy crops like the lettuce or the radish, don't forget that, like I said in the beginning, that the journey is just as important as the destination. So if anything else doesn't go quite according to plan, it doesn't really matter. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video and wish you the best of success with the Incredible Edibles School.